In a vast, sun-drenched green field, 3 magnificent bullocks, black, brown, and white graze as one, their bodies almost touching. From the forest's edge, a powerful lion watches with intense, hungry eyes, then charges, only to be met by an unyielding front. The bullock's collective strength forces the predator to retreat with frustrated growls, their unbreakable bond clear. Under the gnarled tree, the lion watches the bullocks, a cunning glint in its eyes as it approaches the black bullock. The lion's voice, a low, insidious whisper, poisons the air. "Your friends, they speak ill of you behind your back." The black bullock's ears twitch, its posture shifting to hurt as it casts a sad glance at its companions, walking away alone. The brown bullock grazes peacefully until a sudden rustle in the bushes signals a terrifying blur of fur and claws. A lion, the relentless chase, drives the brown bullock deep into the dark forest, vanishing from sight as the lion turns to the trembling white bullock. A fearsome roar echoes as the lion advances on the paralyzed black bullock, its looming shadow a harbinger of doom.